Got me all up in my feels, in all kind of ways. I be trying to wait, but
hola beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. A long time no see girl, but in today's video I am going to be showing you guys all about how I do my own nails. I have to give y'all a story time later as to why I've recently started doing my own nails, because the nail salon tried me, y'all. Yes, they tried me. They really tried to play in my face. And this is not just a random nail salon. This is a nail salon that I have been going to for years, so we'll discuss that in a separate video. But yeah, we're gonna be doing our nails and we're doing some cute long extendos, girl. If you know, you know. The girlies that get it, and the girls that don't, you're probably just not that girl. Just kidding. Let me go ahead and show you guys my inspo pic. But these are the nails that I'm gonna be doing, that I'm gonna be trying to recreate. They're not gonna be exactly the same, but they are going to be similar. So I'm gonna be using some rhinestones. I believe these are SS10 rhinestones. And they're just like this iridescent color, if you guys can see. Super duper pretty. SS16, which are just slightly bigger. I have some clear rhinestones in the size SS16. And then I have some more clear rhinestones in the size SS12. And I purchased these off Amazon. These are like some little cute bling butterflies. They come with silver and gold ones. So I'm gonna pop those to the side. I also have, again, you guys, I apologize for the noise. I have my window open so that the room can ventilate. I have just some cute little bling gems. Let me take them out the things so y'all can see. These are like some smaller ones, but like more variety in different shapes. Of course, you guys know we're gonna need some UV gel top coat, and I'm using the Valentino Pure Beauty line. We also have some Super Bond, kind of like a primer for our nails. We have the Nail Prep Hydrator, damper dish, which we put our monomer in, some cuticle oil, which can be found at any nail supply store or Sally's, Amazon. Y'all know I love Amazon. And then for our powders, I don't know which colors I want to use today, y'all, but I have this pink color in the shade Bad and Bougie. And I also have this one in the shade Butterlicious. They all look similar, but they're not. They're very different. And then I have this one, shade Strawberry Shortcake. It's like a for real strawberry shortcake pink, which is so pretty. To glue on the stones, I'm gonna be using this Maca RT. I don't know how you pronounce it, y'all, but I'm gonna be using this nail glue. This is by Kiss. Just some nail glue to glue on the tips. You need nail files and a nail buffer. I have a whole bunch of nail files, y'all, because some of them are dull, actually. An acrylic powder brush. This is also from Valentino Beauty Pure. I think these are 3XL clear nail tips. Got these off Amazon. They're by Sweetity. Am I pronouncing that right? Sweetity. But I'm using these nail tips. I'm gonna need a nail clipper to cut down your tips. A wax pen, which can be found off Amazon. I need some tweezers. I need some acrylic nail liquid. This is the monomer, you guys. I'm using the Melody Susie drill. Y'all, I've had this. It's filthy. Please don't talk about it. I've had this since the pandemic. So this is the Melody Susie nail drill, and it's pretty decent, y'all. This is the type, in case you guys want to go buy it off Amazon. I think it was like $54 or something, but this is the kind I have. And then recently I bought this new drill bit. If you're a beginner, don't use this, because I have nicked myself so many times around the cuticle. Let me get closer so y'all can see. This drill bit is nothing to play with, y'all. It's so sharp, but it gets the job done. The lowest this drill can go is 3 RPMs, but I'm gonna be using 5. I just want to roughen up the surface of the nails just to make sure we get everything nice and buffed, to create a nice surface for our tips to stick to. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our nail tips. Okay, y'all, so once we have the nail tips glued on, you just want to take your nail clipper and cut them to your desired length right about here. I just kind of scratched the surface up a little bit. So now we're gonna go in with our Super Bond. Okay, y'all, pause. I just wanted to say really quickly that I did apply the nail dehydrator off camera. I forgot to press record, y'all. I was all over the place. Y'all gotta keep in mind, it's been a minute since I
filmed on camera, so I'm still trying to get it together. But anyways, yes, I did apply the nail dehydrator before I applied the Super Bond.
No, it makes the nails last a long time, so I'm just gonna go on. So I'm just gonna go over my nails with a generous amount of this as well. I'm gonna pour a little bit of our monomer into our damper dish. I'm gonna use Bad and Bougie. Yeah, I be having to focus. I'm not gonna talk. Okay, girls, so I know what y'all are thinking. These look hideous. I never claimed to be a professional, y'all. I just do what I can, but don't clown me yet, y'all. We finna fix it. We are going to fix it. I'm still learning though, so yeah. I actually like to keep the square look, but I'm just gonna file the nails and shape them how I want them to be. Okay, so kind of like this. I'm gonna file these off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I have shaped the nails. Now I'm gonna go in with my Melody Susie nail drill and I'm gonna put this at about 11. Now that I have drilled the nails down, I'm gonna use the same drill bit, which is very dangerous. But I'm gonna put it on the lowest setting, which is the speed of 3. This on the speed of 3. Okay, and very gently, I'm gonna go around the cuticle. This is how I get my nails to look super professional. I'm just gonna go around the cuticle. Sorry if I'm getting out of frame here, y'all. Look, I just nicked myself. Y'all probably could see where I just nicked myself at. This is how clean the cuticles look. That's why I said, y'all, don't clown me too bad, girl, because you gotta trust the process. I have learned to just trust the process. So these look bomb. I'm gonna do the other hand off camera and I will be right back. All right, y'all, so now I'm going to switch out my drill bit for my sanding bit, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna put this bad boy on about 14 or 15. I'm gonna leave it on about 15. And I'm just gonna begin to buff the nails since we're almost done. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this little buffer tool and buff the nails. Alright, y'all, so I have washed my hands. This is what the nails are looking like. This is my left hand, which I think looks pretty good. And then this is my right hand, my dominant hand. Still trying to get better at doing my right hand, but it's kind of hard, y'all. Do my right hand with my left hand because that's my non-dominant hand. Take some of the SS12 stones and put them in the jar. I'm gonna take some of the SS10 ones. Put a few of those in the top And then I'm gonna take some of my SS16 iridescent ones, put some of those in the top with these clear SS16 ones. Lay out some of those as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my gel top coat on my nails first, and then I'm gonna add the rhinestones. Nails are looking like, y'all, they're so beautiful. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna do my other hand and then I'll come back to show you guys the final look. All right, you guys, so here are the nails. My hands are so ashy, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some cuticle oil just to hydrate the cuticles. All right, you guys, so we are all done with the nails. Here is a final look. I love, 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 love my nails. Yes, that is how I do my own nails here at home. I'm going to continue to practice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so, so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.